2015 Lexus LX570. We're going to add refrigerant to the system. The refrigerant that we need is R134A. If you're not sure, just look for the sticker inside the hood and double check what refrigerant that you need. Now, first thing we need to do is remove this panel on the driver's side. Surprise that the low pressure valve is on the driver's side, not on the passenger side. So the first thing we need to do is take out the plastic clips that holds the panel in place. Now we already did that because we're kind of in a rush, so we took out the plastic clips, then take out this huge panel. Ta-da! And as you can see here on the driver's side, on the huge aluminum pipe, here is the low pressure port. Even on the cap says L. So start by unscrewing the cap. Start the vehicle. Then put the blower in maximum speed. Then on the lowest temperature setting. Now let's go back to the engine bay. Connect the adapter to the low pressure port. Oops, I forgot to turn it on. You can see it is 36, so we're gonna fill it between 40 to 45. So start shaking your can. Then when you press the trigger, put the position of the can at 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Then constantly check the pressure. Repeat this until you get your desired pressure. So after a while, we got up to 41, 42 psi. So for this huge vehicle, this is good enough. So take out your adapter, then put back cover, then put back the side panel, and we're done. And that's how to refill refrigerant on a 2015 Lexus LX570. Thank you for watching.